In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MT4 Strategy Tester. If you're curious about how an expert advisor might have performed in the past, or you want a quick sandbox to check its behavior, the Strategy Tester in Metatrader 4 is the built-in tool you need. We'll start by opening it. Inside MT4, go to the top menu and choose View, then Strategy Tester. If you prefer shortcuts, press Ctrl+R. A dedicated panel will slide up along the bottom of the platform. That's where you'll manage everything related to your test. Now choose the strategy you want to test. In MT4, automated strategies are called Expert Advisors, or EAs. In the Strategy Tester panel, open the Expert Advisor dropdown and pick the EA you'd like to run. If you don't see it listed, it means you need to install the EA into MT4 first so that it appears in this menu. Once selected, you're telling MT4 exactly which algorithm to simulate. Next, set the market context for your test. Start with the symbol. Pick the currency pair you plan to trade, like EUR-USD or GBP-USD. Then choose the period, which is the chart time frame. M1 for 1 minute, M5 for 5 minutes, H1 for 1 hour, and so on. Make sure the time frame aligns with how the EA was designed to operate, because many EAs are calibrated for a specific period. For the model, you're choosing how detailed the price simulation should be. Every tick is the most accurate and the slowest. It attempts to recreate every small price movement. Control points is a middle ground, faster with moderate accuracy. Open prices only is the quickest option. It runs on each bar's opening price and is the least accurate. If you're just getting a rough idea, speed can help, but for serious evaluation, accuracy matters. After that, define the testing window. Check the Use Date box, then set the start and end dates. A wider date range can reveal more about how the EA behaves across different market conditions, but it will take longer to process. Also, ensure your platform has sufficient historical data for that period. Otherwise, the test may complete with very few trades. When everything looks right, click Start. MT4 will begin simulating trades based on your EA, symbol, time frame, and model within the date range you chose. Watch the progress in the tester panel, and when it finishes, you'll be ready to review how the strategy performed and refine your settings as needed.